Niobium is the 41st element on the periodic table. Its chemical symbol is Nb and it has similar properties to tantalum. It is a member of the group 5 of the periodic table. Compared to other elements in its group, niobium is not very common. There are a total of 25 isomers of this element, but the most stable is niobium 93. The discovery of niobium is a historic event in the world of science. The history and discovery of niobium began in 1801, when English chemist Charles Hatchett discovered a new element in columbite. He was able to determine its identity by analyzing American origin ore sent to Britain. At the time, it was called columbium, but several years later, it was renamed niobium. However, the United States didn't get its first taste of the new metal until a few decades after its discovery. A mineral with a similar chemical composition was found near New London, Connecticut. It was sent to the British Museum. However, it sat in the collection for nearly 70 years before Hatchett analyzed it. Among the elements present in the planet's crust, niobium is the 33rd most abundant. There are niobium deposits in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. It is also mined in Brazil, Canada, and Russia. There are two main sources of niobium, columbite and pyrochlore. Both of these minerals have similar properties. The element is also found in minerals tapiolite. During the past decade, the consumption of niobium has been increasing. Niobium and tantalum are found as relatively strong concentrations in close proximity to one another in the biological environment. When these two elements are extracted, they are dissolved in water and usually fused with potassium carbonate. Niobium has a number of properties. These include its excellent high-temperature strength and malleability. In addition, niobium can be easily anodized, making it a versatile material. It also has high thermal conductivity. Niobium is a shiny white metal. The crystalline structure of the metal is body-centered cubic. As a result, it is inert to aqua regia at room temperature. However, this element reacts with oxygen and halogens. This causes it to form a film when exposed to air. Niobium is a ductile, with a Mohs hardness rating similar to pure titanium. It has excellent corrosion resistance and it resists most acids and hydrochloric acid. However, it is susceptible to oxidation when exposed to air at a temperature of around 200 degrees Celsius. Niobium has a low density of 8.57 grams per cubic centimeter. The melting point is 2,468 degrees Celsius, which is relatively high compared to other elements, making it a desirable metal. There are numerous uses for niobium. It has found widespread use in the automotive, electronics, and aerospace industries. Niobium, however, has other uses, including in medicine and the defense industry. Some examples of niobium products are niobium capacitors, niobium carbide, niobium alloys, and niobium rebars. Many different types of manufacturing make use of niobium alloys. This metal is used in the construction of MRI scanners and is a component of many high-grade and low-alloy steels. It may be also used as a catalyst. This element is an important metal in the foundry industry. This is because it can change the morphology of graphite. Niobium is often used in conjunction with other elements, such as nickel, to produce iron-based superalloys. These alloys are particularly suitable for rocket subassemblies and jet engines. Niobium alloys are used in many industrial applications. Stainless steels and hypoallergenic jewelry are all manufactured using this element. Also, it is used in a variety of medical and surgical implants. Niobium is also a key component in nuclear magnetic resonance or NMR devices. The high strength of this alloy is used in superconducting magnets and it is one of 3 Type II superconductors. Aside from its use in nuclear technology, niobium is also used in missiles and wear-resistant rails. These alloys are used in turbines and turbocharger systems. In addition, niobium is an important part of the steel industry, including structural sections for civil construction. One of the most important uses is in the manufacture of HSLA steel. This type of steel is used in cars, as well as building construction. The construction industry is the largest consumer of niobium in the world. Adding it to steel can help reduce weight and increase fuel efficiency.